Our topic is about reverse subnetting. First and foremost, what is subnetting? In network communications, subnetting is the strategy used to partition a single physical network into more than one smaller logical subnetworks. An IP address includes a network segment and a host segment. Subnets are designed by accepting bits from the IP address's host part and using these bits to assign a number of smaller subnetworks inside the original network. So these are several examples on how to determine subnet masks and etc. So what host range is the IP address 71.135.74.145/19 a part of? So para malaman natin yung full host range, kailangan ma-identify muna natin yung prefix which is 19. Dahil doon, mako-convert na natin yung subnet mask na 19 into binary. So, ang makukuha nating value ay ito. Dahil dyan, malalaman na natin yung increment which is 32 at malilist down na natin yung mga succeeding ranges which is 71 to 7031, 7132 to 7063, and so on and so forth. So, paano natin nasabi bakit 32 siya? Dahil dito sa third octet, kung saan nagkaroon ng dulong 1, which is ayan, at nade-determine natin siya sa pamamagitan nito, 128, 64, at 32. So, yung ganyang increments, nalalaman natin kung ba't siya 32. At dahil doon, alam natin na itong given IP address na 71.135.74.145 ay part nitong 71.0.64.0 to 70.0.95.255 na nasa third partition, third slice. So what is the usable or valid IP address? Ito yon, 71.135.64.1/71.135.95.254. So bakit hindi nasama yung 71.135.95.255? Dahil ang 71.135.95.255 ay yung tinatawag na broadcast address. For the second example, there are 3 computers connected in a network with their respective network addresses: PC1, PC2, and PC3. PC1 and PC3 are connected to the internet while PC2 is not. What might be the problem? So bakit daw hindi makakonect si PC2 sa internet? Ano ang problema? So ito yung kanilang respective network addresses. As you can see, parehas lang naman sila ng gateway. So, para malaman natin, ano bang problema kay PC2? Titignan muna natin ang kanyang network address. So, 201.42.114.15/29. So, ang gagawin ulit natin is to convert the subnet mask into binary. So, anong subnet? /29. So, ayan. Kung mapapansin mo, hindi siya tulad nung naunang example na meron lang third octet. Ngayon, 4 yung octets nito dahil tumigil siya yung last one sa fourth octet. So, ayun. Ano bang problema kay PC2? Ba't ganun? So, kung mapapansin nyo, yung /29, it resulted to 4 octets dahil yung last one ay lumabas dun sa 4th octet. At dahil doon, makikita natin na ang increment ay 8. So ito ang mga succeeding ranges niya. 201.42.114.0 up to 7 and 201.42.114.8 up to 15 and 201.42.114.16 to 23. So, ayan. Though nalaman natin kung ba't hindi siya makakonect sa internet ay dahil si PC2 ay nasa second partition o second slice ng mga ranges. At si PC1 and PC3 ay nasa third partition. So kung mapapansin nyo, ito, na gumagalaw yung mga network addresses natin, yung increments, based sa kung saang octet natapos ang subnet mask, which is a 4th octet. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, itong 4th octet lang ang gumagalaw. Hindi tulad ng nauna. Yung nauna, 3rd octet yung gumagalaw kasi natapos siya sa 3rd octet. For our third example, how many subnets and hosts per subnet can be utilized from the network 168.24.51.11/27. So, actual number of subnetworks ay equal sa 2 raised to new subnet masks minus old subnet masks or default subnet masks. So, which yields to 2 raised to 27 minus 16. So, bakit po 16 yung old subnet mask? Dahil po ang network na 168 ay isang Class B network at ang default subnet mask noon ay 16. So, kaya po naging 2 raised to 27 minus 16. So, which yields to 2,048 number of networks. Actual. So, to determine naman kung ilang host or usable number of hosts, ang formula natin ay 2 raised to 32 minus new subnet mask minus 2, which yields to 2 raised to 32 minus 27 minus 2, which yields to the answer 30. So, ayun po. 30 po yung sagot.